Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the world of leak detection and repair. We'll walk you through the key elements of a leak detection and repair program, share common sources of leaks, and reveal some effective leak monitoring techniques. Additionally, you'll discover how to embrace leak detection and repair compliance in your organization and the significant benefits it brings. So stay with us to understand how leak detection and repair is not just about complying with regulations, but also about promoting safety and cleanliness in our workplaces and environment. Leak detection and repair is a set of regulations established by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency aimed at reducing volatile organic compounds and volatile hazardous air pollutants. These regulations are particularly important for companies in the petroleum and chemical industries, who are required to follow strict leak detection and repair compliance procedures. The purpose of leak detection and repair is to reduce and eliminate unintended emissions of liquids and gases. This is especially crucial for plants that work with oil, gas, and chemicals. By identifying and repairing leaks, these companies can promote safety in the workplace, reduce product losses, and contribute to environmental efforts by mitigating the release of harmful substances. Now let's break down the 5 key elements of a leak detection and repair program. First, we have the identification of components. Each component under the program is identified, assigned an ID, and its physical location is verified. To make this process more accurate, a barcoding system can be used to track components and integrate them with a computerized maintenance management system. Second, we have the definition of a leak. It's crucial that the parameters that define a leak are clearly understood by all relevant personnel. Definitions and thresholds must be well documented and communicated across the teams. Third comes the monitoring of components. Each identified component should be routinely checked for signs of leaks, with the frequency of these checks set accordingly. Fourth, we have the repair of components. Ideally, the first repair attempt should be done within 5 days of detecting the leak. If there's any delay in the repair work due to planned downtime, a documented explanation should be provided. Finally, we have record keeping. All tasks and activities that are performed and scheduled are recorded, with the activity status updated on the computerized maintenance management system to keep track. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a leak in the context of leak detection and repair? Well, it's a bit more subtle than the typical household pipe leak. Leaks that contain volatile organic compounds and volatile hazardous air pollutants involve gases that are harder to visually recognize. That's why leak detection and repair uses detection instruments that can measure gas concentrations in areas surrounding a component. Leaks are measured in parts per million, as most standards set limits in this unit. Common sources of leaks include pumps, valves, connectors, sampling connections, compressors, pressure relief devices, and open-ended lines. Each of these pieces of equipment have their own unique ways in which leaks can occur. Monitoring leaks can be done in a few different ways. The most basic method involves using your senses. Sights, sounds, and smells can all be practical ways to detect leaks. More advanced methods involve the use of detection instruments such as catalytic oxidation, flame ionization, and infrared absorption. For more sensitive measurements, newer technology like optical gas imaging can be used to safely detect industrial gas concentrations. The frequency of monitoring activities varies according to regulations and component type. A typical leak detection and repair program would include a weekly walkthrough inspection to look out for signs of leaks throughout the plant. More thorough inspections using detection equipment occur less frequently but are more accurate. Record keeping is a crucial part of any leak detection and repair program. By keeping track of all essential components, inspections, tests, and standards, you can build strategies around how to maintain or improve your performance. Record keeping also includes details such as the date any leaks were detected, component details, attempts at repair, and results of any repair work. Various regulations and standards for leak detection and repair exist at both federal and state levels. These provide guidelines on how to carry out leak detection and repair processes properly. Some examples include Method 21, which offers best practices on how to determine volatile organic compound leaks, and 40 CFR 60, a comprehensive set of standards within the Code of Federal Regulations. So how can companies comply with leak detection and repair? At the very minimum, companies must establish a regular preventive maintenance program to periodically check potential leak components and complete environmental reporting procedures. Implementing technology such as barcoding, RFID labeling, or associated computer systems can help track leak-prone equipment and provide a complete record of problems, repairs, and maintenance activities. The benefits of leak detection and repair are significant. Petroleum and chemical companies can reduce costs, eliminate potential fines, and contribute to worker safety and environmental protection through leak detection and repair compliance programs. Industry studies show that harmful emissions can be reduced by more than 50% in many cases, and that cost savings could be upwards of $700,000 per facility. In conclusion, the main focus of leak detection and repair is to reduce harmful emissions from plants. This is especially true for industries that produce tons of compounds and substances that are harmful to the environment and the community. More than preparing companies for government audits, implementing a leak detection and repair program promotes a sense of safety. So let's all do our part in making our workplaces safer and our environment cleaner. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of leak detection and repair, its key elements, and why it's important for safety and environmental protection. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. To learn more about our services and how we can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit our website at upkeep.com.